Fashion Street has a lots of fashionable stuff to shop, from basic to heavy jewelry, sometimes trendy on Instagram or on other social sites. Then different types of kurtis and pajamas, tops, crop tops, t-shirt and whatnot. They also offer footwear according to occasion and appearance. Again, different types of bags and master copy makeup product. Before going to start this video, please do subscribe my channel and also follow me on Instagram. Now for this place, if you are good in bargaining, you will get any stuff for half of its price, whatever shopkeeper told you. And the best time to visit this place is early in the morning around 9 o'clock because it's bogey time, so you will bargain wisely. Firstly, I found this shop which have nice collection of t-shirt and bodycon dresses for just rupees 200. They also have different pattern in tops like balloon top, peplum top, high neck top, 3/4 sleeve top and hooded sweatshirt. Recently in this market what I can see is this disco top, kind of tickly work top. Some shop have big stock of this top. Another shop which I really found different is this. They have nice collection of dangri skirt in pastel colors and also in denim. Now moving towards the shop number 163 which was offering bags, so I'm just check out its price and quality. What I really like is this heavy work clutch. They look super attractive and shiny. I'll label all item price on display for more convenience. So this backpack have nice space to store and its starting range is rupees 350. I pick up this clutch and it's super soft because it has velvet material. I visit this place after corona, so everyone be like, "Hey, mask lagao re." Just listen. If you are more experimental, then you should check this denim shop which offers different colors in denim for just rupees 400. You will get more than 10 colors in that same shop. I found this cargo pant which have net on its knee area. As I mentioned previously, FS have huge footwear collection according to occasion, so you can see here flats, sandal, wedges, heels, formal and casual shoes, deshi shoes, traditional shoes, etc. etc. For accessories, this shop is best option. As you can see, these stonework rings are start from rupees 50 and go through till rupees 150. These rings are kind of trendy nowadays. Anyway, I'm not a big fan of junk jewelry, but I tried this ring and it quite looked good. This type of earrings cost around 400 to 500 on e-shopping site, but here we got it for rupees 200. They don't have big collection for bracelet, but if you are looking for diamond work bracelet, then definitely you should check this. I pick up some earring which was highlighted on Instagram. On the same shop, these makeup products start from rupees 100 and go to rupees 1000. You will get each and every product here, but not that original one. What I found interesting in this shop is this glitter eyeliner just for rupees 100, and you can use this glitter eyeliner as a eyeshadow too, and also it has nice shade option. Almost every shop in Epes has this unicorn top, which is quite common, but the other varieties are also good. Sharara and Gararas are back in trend, so you could find whole set in Epes starting from rupees 550. Summer starts now, so here are nice collection of one-piece dresses, romper dresses, cami dresses. So if you are planning to go for a trip during the summer, then you should check out these summer-friendly dresses and tops from Epes. For traditional dresses, shop number 10 and 11 is the best option. I really like quality and work of these dresses. My camera might not capture that work on dresses, but I really like this design and all. They have simple kurtis from just rupees 400 starting. I found this denim jacket cum kurti for rupees 700, and it's a unique piece which I really like. That shopkeeper shows me some dresses, and according to its price, it's really good. So whenever you go to the Epes, must visit this shop and check out its kurti collection. So don't forget its shop number, it's 10 and 11. There are some people who belongs to chikankari world, so these kurtis are for those. Every kurti had different work modified with tikli on it, and price is so affordable. Like you will get single kurti for rupees 200, and if you took set of this, then it is for 500. Also, I found another shop for bags. As per the price, quality of this shoulder bag was good. They have nice golden and diamond work clutches for rupees 250, and some formals are available too for same price. So according to price, I really like these clutches. I mostly prefer sling bag over handbag or shoulder bag, so if you are like me, then this is for you. Such a nice and huge collection of sling bag. If you like any one of these bags, then you should visit this shop naming Right Choice. I have seen this peplum top online for rupees 1200, but here I got it for rupees 400, and other collection is also good. There are some beach wear starting from rupees 400. These cami dresses are good option during summer. Again, I found one accessory shop which have nice and trendy earrings. So these two lines are for rupees 150 each. And these upper two lines are for rupees 200 each. Almost in every shop you will see such a types of hang top in different pattern. So what you have to do is finding and finding. So that's it for today's video. I'm hoping that you already subscribed my channel. If not, then please do subscribe my channel and share this video with your shopaholic friends. See you in the next video. Till then, stay beautiful because front look matters. Bye.